After learning a few simple and interesting little experiments, you can play all day. Prepare an empty bottle and drill a hole in the center of the cap. Pour hand sanitizer into the bottle, cap it, and shake the bottle vigorously to distribute it evenly. Find an open area and light the mouth of the bottle to experience the fun of a rocket launch. Prepare a plastic bottle with a pacifier mouth. Drill a small hole in the center of the cap so that water can flow out. Take a plastic tube and rub it vigorously on a towel. After rubbing, bring the tube close to the water stream, and you will find the water attracted to the tube. Place a filled balloon over a candle flame, and it will burst instantly. Place a water-filled balloon over the candle flame, and it won't burst no matter what. Take a matchstick, fold it in half, and place it at the mouth of a plastic bottle. Put a coin on top of the matchstick and drip water onto the tip of the matchstick. After a few seconds, the coin will fall into the bottle. Pour glue and water into a dish and mix evenly using food coloring. Continue adding soda water and stir quickly until it foams. Finally, sprinkle in a spoonful of iron powder and knead it evenly with your hands. The resulting QQ bouncy material is super fun. After kneading, place it in a basin, and you will have a fun honey-like slime. Bring a female magnet close to it, and it will follow the magnet. Throw the female magnet into it, and it will quickly surround the magnet. Isn't it interesting? I can play with this kind of mud all day. What are you waiting for? Quickly practice with your child. Follow me for more exciting experiments waiting for you to unlock.